You don't need a lot of money. You don't need to be an expert. All you need to start those profitable businesses is Wi-Fi, maybe a laptop, and self-dedication. Hi, I'm so glad to see you on my channel. My name is Ola, and this channel is all about helping busy moms build an online business that will bring a stable, reliable income. If you are a busy dad or if you don't have kids at all, this video will help you too. So make sure to stay tuned. Many people dreaming of a perfect business they are going to start. In reality, just a few of us actually starting a business. This may happen because of the limitations we all have. So before I list the businesses, let me address some limitations you might have. First limitation is perfectionism. Don't wait until it's perfect. Just start. I don't say you don't have to have a plan. Make a basic plan and be ready to adjust as you go. Running a business is the best experience that will show you what needs to be changed to develop and improve. If you don't start a business, you will never know what worked best and what you have to change to be successful. The second limitation, I am not an expert. Nobody knows everything about everything. Nobody was born as an expert. People are studying and learning all their lives. While some niches requires a certificate, most of them don't. If you're not an expert in this field, maybe you have some experience or some knowledge. If not, go learn and study the subject and make yourself an expert. The third limitation I always hear is it's too saturated, it's too late to start. So let me tell you something. Until you developing some new crazy app or trying to find a cure for COVID-19, then most likely the business you are going to start has been done before. And if it is something profitable, it may be saturated. But as long as you're willing to put some work in to stand out in your field, you are going to be okay. People are actually looking for what you have to offer, looking for more information and more entrepreneurs like you. If you will stand out and give them a good quality information, product or service, you are going to succeed. Maybe your niche is high competitive, but you're going to bring your angle, your personality, and your perspective to the content you are going to create. I hope I convinced you to stop holding yourself back and just start. One thing to get out of the way before we start. I'm not a financial advisor of any sort. My recommendations coming from my knowledge and experience. Some of the businesses are included in my income streams. Some my friends have and having success with. Now let's dive into the best profitable online businesses you can start today. As I said before, you don't need a lot of money, you don't need to be an expert. All you need to start those profitable businesses is Wi-Fi, maybe a laptop, and self-dedication. In the first part of the video, I'll start with the businesses that are good idea, but requires to trade time for money, which means they are less passive and less scalable. Then, in the second part, I'll show you the best online businesses that is totally passive and scalable. So let's start with a list of good time for money online businesses. You will be limited by the free hours you have, but also will learn a lot. The best tip here is to choose something in the niche that you are thinking you may build a business around in the future and learn everything you can while working. You can use platforms like Fiverr or Upwork to offer your services. The first business is social media advisor. Most business owners understand the importance of a social media and the marketing potential of it. Fortunately for you, many of them good at what they're doing, but don't have the knowledge requires to properly promote their business at a social platform like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and more. Here's is where your place to shine. Find those small businesses that don't have a social appearance and make a good offer. If you don't know anything about social media, go and learn. There are a ton of free sources out there. Job number 2, trading time for money, is SEO consultant. Same as the first one, but here you're promoting a business to rank on the first page of Google search. Business number 3 is virtual assistant. Virtual assistant is a great job when you just started and you want to work online without actually investing in big and complicated business. Your job is going to be scheduling, data research, filling forms, and more. In the beginning, the business owner will show you how to do everything. So if you choose somebody in the niche that you're thinking of starting a business around in the future, you can learn a ton about this specific business and generally about business management, which will give you a big advantage in the future. For this job, you need a Wi-Fi and maybe a laptop, and you can run your business from any place in the world. The downside is that you're trading your time for money, but when established, you can scale your business, hiring another assistant, and open your own agency. And as I said before, you learn a ton of good, valuable skills and information from the owner of the business that you worked for. Business number 4 is freelancer. Offering your service on Upwork or Fiverr is a good place to start, especially when you don't have any capital to invest or don't feel like putting a lot of effort in building a complicated business. You can be an online freelancer and offer your services at writing, editing, designing, making voiceover for videos, and more. If you think you don't have any skills to offer as a freelancer, I encourage you to go to Fiverr and just look around. What other freelancers offering? Maybe there is something that you can learn and then get paid to do it. Keep an open mind and don't underestimate yourself. Many freelancers starting small and learning as they go. Now, all the businesses I'm going to mention from now on are passive and scalable, which means you don't have to fill annoying surveys or trade your time for money, and you have limitless space to grow. There is something I want to make clear about passive income. There is such thing as earning money while you sleep or while you're drinking margaritas on the beach, but passive income, like any other business, requires an investment in the beginning. Some will invest their money, others will spend their time, but you can't create a successful online business without any investment. Now, when this is out of the way, let's move to business number 5, affiliate marketing. If you never heard about affiliate marketing, it is basically just promoting and recommending other people's products and services with your personal link and get a commission if the person buys. Great, stable, long-term online business, especially for beginners. You can build a website or start a YouTube channel and just publish posts or videos answering most common questions people have on your niche or reviewing the products. It requires some work, either make a videos or write a blog post. And it may take a few months to get traffic and start making some money. But when you establish your business, it is going to be passive and scalable. Passive because whatever you published will stay there forever. And as long as it's relevant to what people are looking for, you will get traffic and make money through the affiliate links. Scalable because with every post on your website or video on your channel, you'll get more tickets in the lottery. For those of you who don't want to show their faces, this is a great option because on the website, of course, nobody will see you. And on the videos, you really don't have to show your face. You can review products just recording your screen or voice over pictures and the product you promote. Also, you can do affiliate marketing on Facebook and Instagram. It is completely free, but less passive if you ask me. You have to show up posting every day to stay on the top of people's boards. You can build your website for very cheap or start a YouTube channel for free. By the way, all the things I recommend and mention in this video, you will find links in the description below this video, so be sure to check it out. Business number 6 is drop servicing. Drop servicing involves selling services other people provide to businesses. It's different from affiliate marketing because you're not just mediator who get commissions, but you are the business owner that provides the services. But instead of do the job yourself, you hire somebody else. The process is simple. You find a business that's interested in some kind of service, then you hire a freelancer from countries with lower lower cost of living. Paying a low rate on a high-quality services leaves you with a nice profit for the services you sell. You can think about it like a subcontract for services like editing, animation, writing, designing, and more, where you hire a high-skilled freelancer for cheaper and get the profit. Building a drop service in business involves learning the market and the competitors, finding high-skilled freelancers at a cheaper price than your competition, building marketing offers and channels to bring new customers, and more. That's a lot of work. But when your business is up and running, you can scale it up and make it passive by automating the whole process. The downside of this business is that sometimes it's hard to find high-skilled freelancers that will fulfill the expectations of your client. But when you do so, you'll start growing, having your own reliable team of freelancers that will provide a high-quality service. Business number 7. Print on demand. Completely free. You upload the design and set the price, and the company will take care of the rest. You will get your part of the profit directly to your account. It is passive. Once you upload your design, it will stay there forever. And as people find it and buy it, you'll get the money. It is also scalable, and your mission here is to upload many beautiful designs. As I mentioned before, it's like a lottery ticket. The more tickets you fill, the more your chances to win. You don't have to be a designer or have a special designer programs and tools. There are many apps and websites that will help you to design a beautiful, simple design. You just have to come with an idea. You can use free platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Merge by Amazon. All three of those are non-exclusive, which means you can upload the same design to all of the sites and increase your exposure. I myself just started my Teespring shop, so you're welcome to check the link in the description. Business number 8 is digital product. It can be Skillshare, Udemy, or ebook, or Amazon Kindle. You can teach people how to do your hobby or show them how to make something. Do it yourself. You can teach them to solve a small problem or get basic skill. You don't have to be an expert. Just to get people from point A to point B, solve the problem to get them results. And if you think you have no skill at all, just find somebody that have those skills. Create a niche digital product and split the profits. There are so many experts who have miserable income and trade their time for money. And if you tell them that by just filming themselves solving a problem, they can make a completely passive income, they will be happy to jump in. Those people are really good at what they're doing, but not so good at marketing their knowledge. If you don't know how to do that, just go and learn. There are so many free sources about digital product creation and structure. Just go and make yourself an expert. Business number 9 is YouTube channel. And I know what you may thinking, another YouTube promoter, or maybe you think it's too late to start and it's too saturated and I can't compete with those huge YouTubers that took all over the YouTube platform. But hear me out before you click out. YouTube is a huge platform, and more than social platform, YouTube is actually a search engine. What it means that people are actively searching for things, and the only thing you have to worry about is to be found. Now, here I have to warn that you have to be really patient, and in the beginning you have to put a lot of work. But what business isn't? Any business you will start today, you have to put some work and patience, be consistent and committed. The opportunity of YouTube is too good to not even try it for 1 or 2 years. And the best part, it is completely free. And you have a variety of income streams you can make just from YouTube. After you get to the point when you have 1,000 subscribers and at least 4,000 hours of view in the last year, you can start monetizing your channel for ads. With the affiliate marketing that we mentioned before, you even don't have to wait for that. You can start from the beginning, put your link in the descriptions of your videos, and when you start getting traffic, people actually buy the product and you will get the money. Finally, you can promote your own digital products or sign people for membership to your channel. You don't have to be an expert. You just have to bring value to your audience. If it's educational, or you can turn your hobby into do-it-yourself channel, or share your journey of weight loss, or some other change. Whatever you decide, don't skip this potential. Number 10 is podcast. If you're a good speaker or if it's something that you're interested in learning, podcast is a good business idea for you. There are a huge crowd that don't want or can't watch videos and prefer to listen to podcasts instead. Here, you have to invest in a good microphone because your voice is an anchor of your business. You can use free recording and editing software like Audacity for PC or GarageBand for Mac. You can distribute your podcast yourself or use free platforms like Anchor to help you to distribute your podcast out to the world. I hope you found my list helpful and at least one of these business ideas looks like a good opportunity to you. Please let me know in the comments which one you like the most. Maybe you didn't find anything that will work for you, but the main idea here was to show you that you don't need huge capital and a lot of knowledge. You just have to have Wi-Fi, maybe a laptop, and self-dedication to learn and develop yourself. If you want to start a YouTube channel and you don't know how, make sure to watch this video. If you want more tips of building and growing online, hit the subscribe button because I release good free info and tips weekly, and it will really help my channel. I'll see you in other videos. Bye bye.